saan ba ang Project Baby?
So, yung...
Intriguing title, Project Baby.
Oo, kasi ang talagang may project nito, yung character ni Sue.
Okay.
She's a modern woman, empowered, very successful. Ang parang kulang na lang for her was magkaroon ng baby. So, she wanted one already, pero ayaw niya ng may partner.
Oh.
Ayaw niya ng may life partner or may dad yung... I mean, ayaw niya ng relationship.
I mean, a choice that many may not understand, but that's a choice of a woman. Ayaw niya ng may asawa, ayaw niya ng may boyfriend, pero gusto niya ng baby. At kinuha ka niya. You're the...
Naghanap siya.
Okay, and then?
Hindi yata siya successful sa mga una niyang attempts. And then, she stumbled upon my character na papayag niya ako for...
No, but your character here is...
I am a common friend lang.
Okay.
And
so, hindi ka professional rent
Hindi, I am
boy
an
or
artist.
You're an artist.
So, like my character, pareho rin kami.
Okay.
We're both artists.
Musician.
Tapos nasa tamang edad din at wala pa ring anak and single din. So...
But this is a controversial issue, Rico. Medyo magandang pag-usapan, I mean, this is a nice topic for debate. Itawid natin sa totoong buhay. What is your take on this? Isang babae, halimbawa, gusto magkaanak, pero ayoko ng asawa, ayoko ng partner, finds a man who's willing to do it, walang commitments. Your thoughts?
There's so many... It's a little complex,
Complicated.
no?
Favorite line from the movie? Reason I ask this is, madalas kami mga fans, pag sinasabi nila, ito yung eksenang paborito ko, ito yung linyang paborito ko, pag pinapanood namin ng pelikula, inaabangan namin yun.
Actually, dito boy, yung mga paborito ko siguro, iiwan ko na lang dun sa film itself.
Okay.
Para hindi ma-spoil. Pero, pwede bang kumuha dun sa trailer namin?
Sige nga.
Meron. Kasi may line dun na hindi ako nag-agree or hindi ko maintindihan.
Oo.
Pero then sabi ni Direk Eric, kung mag-overthink, ibato mo lang. So sabi ni Sandy Montecillo, yung character ni Sue, what's your body count? Sabi ko, anong body count? And then, sabi niya, number of people you slept with. Ito po yung sagot ko. Sabihin ko ba yung line?
Yes, please.
I don't count bodies. I count hearts.
Wow.
Yun sabi niya.
Gagayahin namin yun.
Hindi ko maintindihan to this day yan ang ibig sabihin nun. Pero nagustuhan sa trailer, nagustuhan siya ng mga tao.
Hindi, at saka quotable eh. Di ba? I don't count bodies.
At saka si Direk Joey Reyes.
Yeah, that's right. I don't count bodies, I count hearts. Ganda naman. Nagbibilang ako ng, hindi ako nagbibilang ng mga katawan, nagbibilang ako ng puso.
Ito po, hindi kasi ako nagbibilang.
Oh, talaga? Anong ginagawa mo sa tunay na buhay kung hindi ka nagbibilang?
I don't like to see
count.
people as numbers.
That's true naman. Oo. Yeah. Pero inevitably, sa ating buhay, magbilang man tayo o hindi, meron talagang bilang kung
Minsan
ilan
tinatanong ako, bibilangin ko pa talaga, ganun.